Hey, this phone's nice.
3 cameras.
Don't take the 7 back.
Because I don't know.
Wait, there's a watch?
So forget about the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro and get the Pixel 7 or the Pixel 7 Pro. You know what? Let me explain why I'm saying that. We're so close to the release of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, so it kind of don't make sense to buy a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 6 Pro. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So if you're about to drop $599 or even $899 on the Google Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, you might want to hold off a few weeks because we're a few days from the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro event, and pre-orders goes on sale the same day for those devices. So look, we have to understand something here. We get newer devices in a very short time. Don't make no sense to buy the older devices because we're getting a fresh new look here. The latest and greatest devices is here. So let's talk about what we know about both of these devices. The Pixel 7 looks like it's going to have a 6.3-inch 1080p 90 Hz display with the new Google Tensor G2 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 4600 mAh battery, and running Android 13 to boot. Now on the rear, we got a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel primary and a 12 megapixel camera. Now we know that this device won't have no SD card support. It won't have no headphone jack, no power brick in the box, but the price, $599 to boot, which is really good. So check this out. The big dog, the Pixel 7 Pro, baby. 6.7-inch 1440p display. We got the Google Tensor G2 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, 5,000 mAh battery, running Android 13 to boot. Now, as far as cameras, we got a triple camera setup here. Look like we're going to get a 50 megapixel primary, 12 megapixel wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. And also, we know that this device not going to get SD card support, no headphone jack to boot, no power brick in the box. But for $800, $899. So it's the same price as the previous devices. Now, as far as storage option, there's going to be some storage tiers from 128 gigs up to a possible 512 gigs of storage if you want to spend some more money. Now, one of the reasons why I would say wait and buy the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is because of the same price point. Now, if you find a Pixel 6 for about $50 cheaper, I would still say wait and get the Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro because you're getting a fresh new look, updated design, better performance, better cameras, better battery life. So that is going to be very good if you want to hold off. And $50 is not that much to save on older devices. Now, if you don't care about all of that, and you can find a Pixel 6 or a Pixel 6 Pro for $150 to $200 cheaper, look, I won't pass on that deal. I think if you get it that cheap, I would grab it. Right? So as we are hitting Techtober, I'm excited for all the tech toys that's being released. I mean, it's fun right now, right? Technology is fun. Now, both the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro will get all the updates, right? Battery life, performance, cameras. Oh my God, it's going to be very good. You know what? I'm also confident that some of the issues we had with the Pixel 6 rollout, we won't have those same issues with the Pixel 7 rollout. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's because Google have had some time to fully optimize the Tensor processor and the software to run great on Pixel devices. Plus, we have got an early release of Android 13. So Google have had the time to make sure the software intertwined with the hardware is ready for prime time, baby. So, are you excited about the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro? That's what I'm talking about. But you know what? I'm running into some issues now. Now that I'm using two devices as my daily driver, right, I'm running into some issues. The Galaxy Z Fold 4, the LG V60. Which one of these devices should I put on the sideline as I make the Google Pixel 7 Pro one of my primary devices? Leave your comments down below. Are you excited about the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro? But which one of these devices should I put on the sideline? Both of them is awesome devices. Leave your comments down below. But you know what? If you want to see the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the speed test with the LG V60, click this video right here. Click this video right here and I'm going to be in the comments and we're going to have some fun. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.